Hey guys, so I'm currently in LA right now. Today is my today is my last day here with the brats. Today is Tuesday, so on Sunday we went to Disneyland. So if you want to see the vlog for that, it will be on their channel. What is your channel name?
Crazy.
What is the name of your YouTube channel?
The Crazy Little Blues.
So you could go on their channel to watch that video, their vlog, what they did in Disneyland. And yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready and do my makeup because we're gonna go to the pumpkin patch today.
Pumpkin patch.
So yeah. So I only really brought two eyeshadow palettes with me. I brought the Jackie Aina and ABH palette. And then I also bought the Dos Colors Sassy Sienna's palette. This one is just a bunch of neutrals, so that's why I brought this one. And then the ABH and Jackie Aina palette, it does have neutrals. It has some fun colors in it, so that's why I brought it, because it has some nice colors. So for my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade medium brown. I had taupe, but then it was too light. It was gray and I liked it, but I wanted like a dark one too. So I went and bought a medium brown. What are you doing, Sophia?
I'm watching.
So I'm just using this brush. I don't remember where it's from, but it's from my Bossy Charm. And some Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So I'm just taking a little bit more concealer so I can prep my eyes. So I think I'm going to use this palette today. I think I'm going to take some tape. I can create that. I'm going to take the shade Pinker and use that on the outer part of my eye. And then I'll just blend it out later. And that color out with Supreme right next to it, the pink one. Just blend it lightly with that color.
Very scary one. I know, I already saw that one.
I'm gonna take the shade Soleil, I think is what it's called, this one. And put that right here.
Yep. My bad. Leo's doing a video. Where's Daddy?
I heard you.
Mommy's here.
Y'all gonna have to clean up.
Where's Daddy at, Mommy? Daddy's at work.
And then I'm just taking this Rimmel Scandalized 24-hour Wear Waterproof Gel Pencil. This one is super dark. They're being quiet for my video. You bitch. I'm not cutting that out. Where is it? So I'm putting on these lashes. These are from Amazon. I'll just link it below. I autograph it. The one that was under there, the big one. Go get it. So this foundation lasted me all day at Disneyland. It's the Lancome, whatever, you can read it yourself. This is the foundation. And the shade I have is 230 Buff Warm. Shake it, shake it.
Aren't you supposed to do foundation first?
No.
Okay.
You know, maybe you wash the dishes again, huh?
Mommy, Daddy.
I willingly washed it.
So I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. All time favorite.
What? Mommy, don't show ya.
Brush it.
So shiny. Oh my god. Mommy, these are shiny at all.
No.
It's too
This is
bright.
what mommy uses on you.
It's so bright. Mommy, let you use that?
That's mine. Some Airspun loose powder. This one is the translucent extra coverage. Whoa, extra coverage. You guys gonna fight in my video, really?
No.
Yes.
Do
it. I'm going to bake my face. I'm going to drink some wine.
They're fighting. They're fighting. That's what baby did.
Yep, this is how we get.
Haley, put the juice away.
That's wine. Let's smell it.
Oh. See?
I'm just facing it. It actually smells good.
Okay, go drink milk.
No.
You drink too much soda. So I'm just gonna leave this on my face for now. So now I'm taking the NYX matte bronzer, my favorite bronzer in the shade medium. They're fighting. So I'm taking this Morphe brush. This one is the Jaclyn Hill collection.
Yeah. Make up in your hair.
So I'm gonna deepen it a little bit with the Anastasia powder bronzer in the shade Saddle.
Save me, Nubia! Save me! Save me!
So I'm using the NYX blush. It's the blush palette, the light one.
No.
Taking this one right here. The Sugar Glow Kit. I'm gonna use butterscotch.
Stop it!
Ew, you're so ugly. Do this man now.
Okay, go away. Oh, you want me?
For my nose.
Yeah. That's not good. What color you took? Pink, light pink, and purple. Choose black.
So I have the shades on my hand right here. This one is called Peachy. This one's Peachy. You can tell how pink it is. The middle one is called On Mute, the darker one, which I'm going to wear with the shade Sand. So I'm gonna ombre it with these two. I'm gonna use the dark shade like a liner.
Okay. So I got this lipstick. I'm gonna put on.
That's not lipstick.
I'm just kidding. It's for medicine. Is for.
Yeah, I'm gonna put sand right on top of it. You sneeze and then you say achoo. Last but not least, spray. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to go look at the Crazy Little Voos video.
Bye. That's your channel called.
Okay, bye.